Welcome back. And today we are going to do Egg Foo Young. We are going to get started with the sauce. We have chicken broth heating up here. We're going to flavor that and then thicken it. Start by flavoring it with a couple tablespoons of soy sauce and a couple tablespoons of rice wine. So that's our broth. And we'll get that up to simmering. And we're going to put in a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. And I'm just going to mix that up in some water. Forms a roux. When we put that into our broth, it won't be lumpy. Put that right in, and we'll get that to heat up. So that's about a cup of gravy that we're making here. And we'll make our omelet. What I've got, some eggs, some sweet red peppers, mix those in, some onions, and these are sliced up pretty finely, 1/4 inch, some scallions, some mushrooms. And we're going to put in a little bit of flavoring, extra flavoring, garlic salt. And I like to use everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's. And if you have another favorite seasoning, you could do that. I'm just going to let this sit for a minute while I go and check on our gravy. Shut this right off. All right, so our gravy is ready. We're going to heat up our wok a little bit here. This doesn't have to be as hot as a stir fry. Since we're not stir frying with high heat, I can use sesame oil. And I'm going to put in just about a teaspoon. I'll let that heat up. So let's put in maybe like a 1/2 cup right in there. I'll let that heat up a little bit. Let's give this a stir. I want to wait until the edges of the omelet are turning lightly brown. You can see it kind of just moves together, and it doesn't take much oil. What I can do now is just do that, flip that right over. While that's browning up, let's take rice. Let's just flip this and make sure it's slightly browned on the other side. Yeah, good. And take our gravy. Yum. So there you have it, quick and easy, Egg Foo Young.